Hello children. Welcome to High Five Kids Learning Station. Today, we are going to learn about farm animals. What is that? This is a rooster. R O O S T E R Rooster. What is that? This is a cow. C O W Cow. C O W Cow. What is that? This is a hen. H E N hen. H E N hen. What is that? This is a horse. H O R S E Horse. What is that? This is a donkey. D O N K E Y Donkey. What is that? This is a pig. P I G Pig. P I G Pig. What is that? This is a dog. D O G Dog. D O G Dog. What is that? This is a cat. C A T Cat. C A T Cat. What is that? This is the goat. G O A T Goat. G O A T Goat. What is that? This is a sheep. S H E E P Sheep. What is that? This is a goose. G O O S E Goose. What is that? This is a duck. D U C K Duck. D U C K Duck. What is that? This is a turkey. T U R K E Y Turkey. What is that? This is a rabbit. R A B B I T Rabbit. Let's recap. Farm animals. Repeat after me. Cow, goat, sheep, horse, Dog. Cat. Pig. Duck. Hen. Goose. Turkey. Rabbit. Rooster. Well done, children. Good job. It's activity time. Which animal make this sound? Yes, it's a duck. Which animal make this sound? Yes, it's a dog. Which animal make this sound? Yes, it's a pig. Which animal make this sound? Yes, it's a rooster. Which animal make this sound? Yes, it's a cow. Which animal make this sound? Yes, it's a horse. Well done, children. Home activity. Collect the picture of farm animals. Stick it in the notebook. And write the animal name below the picture. Bye bye, children. See you in the next video.